Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ironing boards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Household Essentials 4-leg ironing board. With dimensions of 29.5 to 36.5 inches height, 18 inches wide, and 49 inches deep, this ironing board offers among the largest ironing surfaces. It comes with 4 28mm legs for added strength and stability, adjustable wings, heat-resistant pads and metal locks for securing the legs. The board is covered with cotton and features an iron holder and hanger bar. Due to its extra wide surface, this item isn't ideal for small spaces. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brabantia ironing board. The Brabantia ironing board scores well in areas such as stability, longevity, flexibility and versatility. It is constructed from strong steel, features 0.89-inch ivory frame and measures 49 by 15 inches. The ergonomic board can be adjusted in 4 heights ranging from 30 to 38 inches and comes with a standard ice-water cover. To prevent accidental collapse of the ironing board, it comes with a safety child lock while the transport locks secure it during transportation or storage. The iron backrest sadly isn't removable. At number 3, we have the Household Essentials 144,222 over-the-door small ironing board with iron holder. This ironing board comes with a unique design and concept that allows it to be used while hanging from the door. This makes it perfect for small spaces and for people looking for easy setup and storage. It consists of a steel frame, polyurethane and polyester padding and the surface is covered by cotton fabric. The ironing surface measures 24 inches long, 14 inches wide and includes a built-in U-hook for easy hanging. A concern that is raised about this board is the inability of the U-hook fitting on some doors. At number 2, we have the Vmree 48x15 home ironing board. The Vmree home ironing board is not just a 100% ironing board but also, it is an outwardly modern-day board that looks extraordinary in any home. A completely ergonomically structured model, this is maybe a standout amongst other many classic boards with regards to the services it gives you in your home. The ironing board measures 45 by 15 inches having an alloy and cotton material. The ironing board has an adjustable height from 31 to 35.5 inches thereby giving you allowance to work at your height and comfort. The board has 4 legs that offer stability and comfort when ironing. And finally at number 1, we have the Mainstay Diamond T-Leg Ironing Board. Mainstay Diamond T-Leg is a heavy-duty ironing board with the extra thick tabletop. It has a T-leg plan and is extremely solid. Besides, it accompanies a security locking framework that enables you to set it up effectively. You can likewise bring it down effectively and has great versatility. This is sturdy and is likewise truly a reasonable tool to have in your house. Moreover, Mainstay has preset tallness settings and enables you to change according to your desired height for comfortable ironing. It will enable you to iron your clothes quickly and give a wide working area. Additionally, it is foldable and gives you much space for other activities after ironing. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.